Here are powerful cleaning essentials that eliminate odors, tackle buildup, and keep your home fresh and low maintenance. Number 1. Dishwasher Cleaner and Deodorizer Tablets. These dishwasher cleaner tablets deliver deep cleaning power for a full year. They break down limescale, calcium buildup, grease, and odor inside the machine while staying septic safe. Just drop one in and run a cycle to keep your dishwasher fresh, clean, and running efficiently. Number 2. Active Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner Tablets. These active toilet tank tablets clean with every flush. They help prevent hard water rings, stains, and odors while keeping your toilet bowl fresh between cleanings. Septic safe, easy to use, and perfect for maintaining a clean toilet without constant scrubbing. Number 3. Active Swedish Dishcloths. These Swedish dishcloths are ultra-absorbent, reusable, and a smart replacement for paper towels. They soak up spills quickly, rinse clean, and dry fast without odor. Washable and long-lasting, they're perfect for dishes, counters, and everyday kitchen cleanup. And number 4, Active Pet Odor and Stain Eliminator. This active enzyme cleaner targets pet urine, stains, and odors at the source. It works on carpets, upholstery, hardwood, and spot messes while leaving behind a light citrus scent. Safe to use around pets and people, it's a must-have for any pet-friendly home.